Welcome back. Can you see this image here? The dough is, that means, bread under the oven or otherwise beside the oven. It is getting bulged. And can you see this one? What do you think about this? That means flour, wheat flour has taken and made into dough, chapati dough, and something had added so that it is increasing its body in greater according to the time. You can observe that 0 hour it is normal, 1.5 hour, 2 hour, and 2.5 hour, 3 hour. So it is increasing. So what might have been happened in this, by the addition of something, it is gaining some bulginess. So this kind of thing, what you are observing is performed by yeast microorganism. Yeast, we can see with bakery foods cannot be prepared without yeast. So these yeast food that means yeast is the element today we are discussing. That is one experiment is there in laboratory experiment here. Even wines will be prepared, and wines, different kinds of uh, what is that, whiskey. These all in shops will be available. So these all will be prepared by the yeast only. So yeast will perform some type of respiration. Due to that, what will happen here? Wine will be prepared, and with grape paste also we can prepare wine. So this process is known as fermentation. Already 8th class you have completed about fermentation. In 8th class you observed about anaerobic respiration by yeast with dough in a cup, small cups you might have seen. In third chapter, part 1 will be there, part 2 will be there from starting activity only. In two small teacups, dough will be made, and after half an hour or 1 hour or 2 hours, it raises from the smaller level to the higher level. So, and have you observed at your home, your mother has prepared idli and dosa dough. Overnight, next day, if you see means here, you can understand it raises to certain height. Why it raises means here again anaerobic respiration. In that idli and dosa dough and vada dough, natural yeast is present. That will make it to ferment. So what is the thing of ferment here? Ferment is the good thing. For example, let I explain here only little. So for example, in the dough, to one level it is there, and to that level what will happen here, yeast automatically will be present. That means it is a natural one, then it is present by default in that food only. And whatever carbohydrates are present, for example, carbohydrates are nearly 100 molecules are there, next day it decreases to 30 or even 20. That means excess carbohydrates are not there in tiffins, in Indian tiffins. Excess carbohydrates are not present, and these carbohydrates are reduced to 20% or 30%. That means 100% carbohydrates are not present, only 20 or 30% will be there. And due to that, what will happen, we are not eating excess food also, we are eating good food, good tiffins we can eat. Why? Because maximum carbohydrates have been eaten by yeast. Then we are eating fermented food. So fermented food is good to take in the early morning. Why? Because less carbohydrates will be there, and energy anyhow will be getting, and it is a good protein food, and fiber anyhow in the pulses fiber will be there. So tiffins are very good for eating. So this process, how to distinguish whether yeast will take oxygen or carbon dioxide, that is the main agenda here today. For that, even in case of seeds, sprouting seeds you might have seen, these sprouting seeds you have seen, these sprouting seeds also, it will utilize anaerobic respiration. Anaerobic respiration will be seen in plants, and in some roots also, waterlogged roots means here these only. So water is there, and in case of lakes, rivers, there also we can see waterlogged roots. So there what will happen, anaerobic respiration they will be favoring. That means no oxygen will be present at that time. For example, if you put a seed under the soil, then it takes time for growing into plant. Till that time, till it gets a two leaves onto the ground level, it performs anaerobic respiration only. And in case of bakeries, you can see in bakeries, yogurt or otherwise in case of breads, uh, this bread is called as baguetta bread, very tasty bread here, which is prepared in Europe. These are all prepared by yeast microorganism only, which will perform anaerobic respiration. Here oxygen is not used, but carbon dioxide is used. And here you can see wine preparation. So these all will be prepared, and these all are basics only for your 10th class. But actual content, what it is there means in the syllabus, this. So for explaining this anaerobic activity only, anaerobic respiration activity, we discussed that all above. Understood? And today's class we shall discuss about most important thing. That means, for example, this experiment is there under figure 12, testing for production of heat and carbon dioxide under anaerobic respiration. So what does this mean here? This will mean that if we perform this experiment, we will understand whether carbon dioxide is taking in anaerobic respiration or oxygen is utilizing in anaerobic respiration. This much only you need to remember. Why we are performing this experiment means here, whether it consumes, whether it consumes carbon dioxide or oxygen. For that purpose we are observing this. And for this we are now required to see the requirements first. First one, it is thermoflask. Can you see here? This is called as thermoflask, and it has two hole rubber cork. One is for thermometer, one is for delivery tube. This is known as delivery tube. And one is known as exit. So here what are the things are there? Now let us discuss. In anaerobic respiration, most important here is presence of oxygen. Here flask, and here you can this thermometer. One is inserted into one hole rubber cork, and this is the delivery tube, and this is the outlet. This is the outlet. And next one, before starting this activity, then we need to take this glass flask. That means the thermo flask here, or normal flask, which is having two hole rubber cork, and then empty flask we need to take, and in that boiled and cooled solution, boiled and cooled solution of glucose we need to add. Boiled and cooled solution of glucose. How we need to prepare? Just glucose we need to add in water and boil it, and after let it cool, and when it comes to normal temperature, room temperature, then we need to add yeast into that. Understood? And after that what will happen? Then yeast and glucose will be present in it. And to ensure that oxygen is not entering into that, we need to add Janus green bee solution into this solution. So Janus green bee solution, what it will make, if oxygen is there, then it turns into pink color. So remember that color is important. First we need to take flask, then we need to take a glucose solution that must be boiled and cooled, and after that Janus green bee solution will be there. Janus green bee solution. Janus green bee solution we need to add into that glucose solution, so that if oxygen is present, it will turn into pink color. Why we are adding this Janus green bee solution means we are testing for carbon dioxide, so that we must not make oxygen to enter. Even though if it enters secretly, then we can remove by adding Janus green bee solution. After that, immediately we need to add liquid paraffin. What is the use of liquid paraffin means here? Liquid paraffin will stop entering oxygen into the apparatus. That means for this whole experiment, oxygen won't be supplied. Why? We are doing anaerobic respiration activity. In that we need to prove carbon dioxide only is doing the reaction. So when we allow oxygen, we will think that oxygen also entered, so oxygen also present in aerobic respiration, which will fail our activity. So our main intention is that carbon dioxide must be seen in this activity of anaerobic respiration. Then immediately after adding Janus green base solution, oxygen is there means it will turn into pink color. After that we need to add a layer of liquid paraffin. It is just like oil. So on the water, oil if we add means it won't allow anything. Then after that we need to insert thermometer and then delivery tube. And this delivery tube must be inserted into another test tube containing 2-hole rubber cork. And in the 2-hole rubber cork, one inlet will be there, one outlet will be there. Into one inlet, one delivery tube will enter and will immerse into the lime solution. This is called as lime water. That is known as lime water. And this lime water, whenever, this is a universal fact here, whenever lime water adds with carbon dioxide, then it will turn into milky white. This is the universal fact. So after some time, whole setup is completed. Then that means meanwhile we will insert this one outlet, one tube. So what are the parts are there? Glass flask, yeast solution in a glucose, liquid paraffin, 2-hole rubber cork, and one is thermometer, one is delivery tube, one more 2-hole rubber cork, test tube, and one outlet, lime solution. So these are the parts are there. Then when we perform this all things, after 1 hour or 2 hours, slowly what will happen? Some gas will be released, and that gas will enter slowly into the delivery tube, and then it directly enters into the lime water in the form of bubbles. Then while it entering, these bubbles will mix up with lime water, and after some time lime water will turn into milky white. This will assume that yeast performed some respiration mechanism which produced carbon dioxide, that is tested in this activity. Not only that, when it performs respiration, it also produces heat, that is measured here. Nearly 37 degrees of Celsius temperature will be there. 37 to 38 degrees. In exam if they ask means 37, you need to indicate. What is the temperature included in this activity means you need to ensure that the temperature included is 37 degrees Celsius. So here what you need to do means you need to remember this all the things. Usually what will happen if we indicate this carbon dioxide with lime water, what will happen? It will give milky white in color. This will ensure that the whole experiment has performed anaerobic respiration which produced carbon dioxide and also produced heat such that it is shown 37 degrees Celsius in that thermometer. And you need to remember the parts which are most important here. Understood? Parts are also there. Just a minute. Parts are there here. What are the parts are there here? First one, glass flask, and then liquid paraffin, yeast, glucose solution, thermometer, delivery tube, outlet, 2-hole rubber corks here and here, test tube, broad test tube, lime water. And precautions what we need to take means here, this solution must be cooled, then it must be added into that. If boiling glucose solution is there and immediately if we add yeast means yeast is a microorganism which cannot survive in boiling water. And while delivering the tube, that must be inserted into the water and here also into the solution, and one outlet must be provided here such that excess gas will be move out. As the entire setup is a glass made, so we must handle with care. And these uses also you need to remember, which are most important here.